Hello everybody, I'm Mike McPherson, co-owner of Align, and I wanted to introduce you to something that has been changing people's lives around the world. And it's not just another health trend, it's called PEMF, or Pulse Electromagnetic Field Therapy. It might sound high-tech, but the concept is actually very natural and very powerful. So let's start with the basics. What is PEMF? PEMF stands for Pulse Electromagnetic Fields. It's a therapy that sends a gentle low-frequency pulse into your body, kind of like a cellular tune-up. These pulses mimic the electromagnetic frequencies found in nature, specifically the Schumann resonance, which is the Earth's natural frequency, or the Earth's heartbeat. It sits around 7.83 hertz. This frequency is something your body is evolved with. Our cells literally recognize it. Now, here's how it works. Your body is electric. Every cell in your body uses tiny electrical signals to function, whether it's your brain firing neurons, your heart beating, or your muscles contracting. But over time, stress, injury, toxins, and even the modern environment, such as Wi-Fi, EMFs, 5G, from your electronics, and the lack of nature can cause cellular energy to drop. When this happens, healing slows down, you get tired, inflamed, and out of balance. PEMF works by recharging those cells. It's like jump-starting a car's battery, but for your body. The pulse electromagnetic fields create microcurrents in your tissues that improve circulation, oxygen delivery, detoxification, and even nutrient uptake. And here's the coolest part. It's not woo-woo. It's actual science. Let's go back in time for a second. Remember Nikola Tesla? He's the genius behind the modern electrical world. He was the first to experiment with electromagnetic healing. He believed energy was the key to health, and even built an early PEMF-style device over a century ago. People who use these devices experience pain relief, relaxation, and even euphoria. Then jump ahead to the early 2000s. NASA conducted a 4-year study to figure out how to keep astronauts healthy in space, where they were totally cut off from the Earth's natural frequencies. Their research found that low-frequency PEMF could stimulate cell growth and repair tissues, enhancing healing and even regenerate nerves. Yeah, that's right, regenerate them. Tesla saw this over 100 years ago, NASA confirmed it, and today PEMF is helping people all over the world recharge, regenerate, and realign, with no pills, no surgery, and no side effect. So whether you're dealing with chronic pain, anxiety, burnout, or just want to optimize your health, PEMF is like plugging your body back into nature's original design. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, your body is electric, so keep your frequency high.